Alright everyone, welcome back. Thanks for stopping by. I appreciate it. So today, haven't been working full hours out here, but went ahead and worked on finishing up these boxes right here. Got the boxes right here for this one, and then the mud rings for all three of these. The connectors and pipe and all that stuff to get these little chunks about 3 inches put back together. So this is all ready to get re-sheetrocked. Once that gets sheetrocked and painted or whatever, then we will connect that 3/4 pipe over to this one over here, and I did not think about that, so I might have to like offset through the top or something. So yeah, now that's going to be a problem probably with this box in the way. But basically we're going to offset somehow into this box to connect the data, basically sending this data from that box down to that box over there. So that is a future problem to deal with later. Anyways, the next thing that we worked on was trying to get out of this box over here, and I need to wipe the floor real quick. This is like a dance mat or something here, and I rolled the cart over it a little bit, so I had to wipe it down, make it look clean. As you can see, there's kind of like some marks right here from the cart that I was rolling, so just trying to keep that as clean as possible. But anyways, trying to get out of this box over here to the back side to add a HDMI box for something. So we're trying to get out of here, so we drilled a hole through here, and there's concrete on the back side, but it's not directly behind it. So anyways, got this pilot hole drilled, and then started to roto hammer through, but it wasn't long enough to get to the other side. I'll show you the other side real quick. It's wood paneling, but basically need a longer roto hammer bit to blow through and see where the hole is, and then gonna make that into a 1-inch hole eventually, and then run the HDMI over to its location, which hasn't been 100% nailed down yet, but there's 2 possible locations. I'll show you that here real quick. All right, so that box that I mentioned is either gonna go right here, here, or up here, but the hole is gonna be blown through this piece of wood right here. Not through the wood, but basically take the wood off, and then it'll go through the concrete there, and then I'll either mount the box over here or over here. So I'll have to get like a 25-foot HDMI cord and then cut in a box and all that stuff. But basically I had to drive the lift down here, put down ram board or cardboard wood to drive it over here, and then had to lift up into the ceiling to look for possible box locations, because someone said on that box on the back side that there was a pipe access up here, but we couldn't find it. So we're just gonna blow through the back of the box with a rotohammer bit and a pipe sleeve or something like that. So worked on this second, and then third basically went to the kitchen and was looking for a few things to do, but can't find anything to do in the kitchen because we don't have the parts. But like I said, we're gonna add some speakers in the cafeteria, and then also gonna add some speakers out back on the playground. Also need more parts for that, so that's another day. And then lastly, this projector is gonna get a 100-foot HDMI cord zip tied so it can reach the ground basically. This is gonna get zip tied up on these little accordions right there, back and forth. That does probably make sense, but gonna extend it all the way down and then zip tie it up to the little crossing right there, so when it goes back up it's all nice and tight. And that's pretty much the plan here to finish this out, unless I add more stuff. But that's all I got for you guys tonight, what we worked on. Not working full days out here, just getting what we can done and getting parts for the next day. So anyways, hopefully you guys enjoyed. Thanks for stopping by, I appreciate it. As always, if you enjoyed, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe. See you guys back in the next video. Yeah, God bless. Have an awesome rest of the day. Check the description, hit the notification bell. See you guys in the next one. Peace out. All right, guys, you're back at home. I forgot to mention one thing. Sorry I didn't make a video yesterday. I did not work yesterday. Basically didn't have their stuff together at work, so didn't end up going to work. But luckily I got some hours in tonight. And then I'm taking tomorrow off, and then I'll probably be working during the day on Friday, so I'll be switching back to days at least till Monday if they send me back to the school that I've been working at. So anyways, that's gonna do it, and I'll try to get some type of video out tomorrow, whether that's electrical or an update on the house, which I've been meaning to do. If you have not been following along that well, or super closely or whatnot. So anyways, once again, thanks for stopping by. I appreciate it. Love you guys, and thanks for the undying support. 8,600 subscribers is crazy, and I should be hitting 10,000 by the end of the year, and that's just mind-blowing. And I'm super thankful for everyone who has been supporting me day in and day out, and from the beginning till now, if you've been following for a long time or just yesterday. So anyways, thanks guys so much. God bless. Have an awesome rest of your day. Peace out.